and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by today. What I have for you today is an unboxing of a subscription service. This is a eyelash subscription service. Just recently heard about it, so I'm really excited about it. So if that sounds interesting to you, why don't we go ahead and get started? All right, so yeah, I was watching the YouTube channel name is Just Ann the other day. She was doing some unboxings, and I think Tribe Beauty Box was one of them, which I'd heard of Tribe Beauty Box before. I never tried them, but definitely are on my radar now. But anyways, I had heard of them before. However, she brought up, while she was talking about them, she brought up this eyelash subscription service. And I'm like, huh? What? Eyelash subscription service? Because I know I pay a lot of money. Well, I mean, it adds up. Even if I just pay for Ardell's or whatever, you know, I'm like, tell me more. Especially if they're like really good, high quality, you know, right? So, yeah, I went ahead and decided to check it out because it's very reasonably priced, and why not? The lashes look gorgeous, and I like what they stand for. So let me just tell you all a little bit about it. Okay, so it's a monthly subscription, or you can do a 6-month prepaid or a 1-year prepaid. If you do the monthly subscription, it's $11.99 plus tax, and you get 5 sets of lashes, different sets of lashes. You get to choose between either what they call the light lash or the glam lash. You can only choose one or the other. So they're either going to send you a bunch of lashes that are a little bit more natural, or they're going to send you a bunch of lashes that are a little bit more glam. So I'll pop a picture up on the screen. Yeah, I'll pop a picture up on the screen just so I can show you what I'm talking about, to give you kind of an idea between your choices, basically. But anyway, so let me just read what it says here on the on their website, shall we? So this is the monthly subscription service. Get 5 different lashes delivered monthly for only $11.99 plus free shipping. But I'm pretty sure you get charged tax. It says, good lashes literally make everything better. Trust us to deliver the best lashes to complement your amazing makeup every month without disappointment. Yes, we're that reliable. From short to medium to long length, turn up or down the volume of your lashes as it fits your mood and style with the amazing LASHSCOOP lash subscription box. Pick your lash style: light lash, less voluminous, short to medium length; glam lash, voluminous, medium to long length. Billing: we auto bill you every 30 days. You'll receive 5 new lash styles every 30 days. You can skip or cancel at any time. It says they are vegan, cruelty-free, easy to apply, most affordable lashes, up to 20 wears per lash, flexible and lightweight bands, and it says for novices, creators, or makeup artists. So all that sounded fantastic to me. I'm like, yeah, sign me up. $11.99 a month, and I get 5 different lashes. I mean, just one box of, just one pair of like Ardell Demi Wispies is like $5. So yeah, I was like, sign me up. Let's try them out. Let's see what they're all about. Okay, so when I signed up, they offered me a discount on, they have this big lash book. So this is how it came to me. Just so you know, everything came to me in this bubble mailer. But I think that's because I went ahead and purchased the big lash book thing that they have. So I'll take that out of here. I'll show you that first. So it's called the Lash Stash. So it's just a big thing to basically hold your lashes. So you can open it up, and there you go. You can store your lashes, and there's a place you could put you could label them if you want to. That way you know which lash style is which, or if you don't want to mess with that, you don't have to. So I thought that was nice. I thought that would look nice sitting on my shelf or in the background or whatever once I get some lashes in there. I don't know. I just thought it would be nice. It's a little bulky for my drawer, but it was too cute to pass up. It was like, I think it was half price, so I think that made it like 10 bucks. So I went ahead and grabbed it. So yeah, there's that. But I think on a regular basis, this is what the packaging will look like. I think it'll look like this, and then have my address on there and all that. The subscription service that I chose was the Glam Lash, and it tells me right here, Glam Lash. Yeah. So there we go. Let's open her up and take a look at our lashes and try a pair on, shall we? Oh, and I am in the middle of filming this look right now, actually. I just stopped to come over and then do the lash subscription so that I could put on one of the pairs of lashes to then finish the other video. So you'll see this look posted soon. Just FYI. Alright, let's go ahead and open these up and see what we have. Okay. Wowzers. Alright, so this was the February one. Okay, so we've got 5 here, just like it said. So I've got my 5 right here. So we're going to go through each one individually and see what we think. Alright, so the very first one that I see. Okay, so the names are on the side of the box. This is called XOXO. Wow, look at those. Those are beautiful. Those might be a bit much for my hooded eyes. But they're still beautiful. I'll probably still wear them. I don't care. I like big lashes, so. But yeah, there you go. There's XOXO. Oh wow, these, now I don't know. I don't know that I'll be able to pull these off. This is, these are Pleasure. Pleasure. Those are long. Wow. I don't know. I'll still give them a try. I mean, I'm going to try them. I got them. Might as well try them, right? Unless I feel like they'll be better suited for somebody else that I know. Here we go. These are much more my style. Alright, this is Tease. These are definitely much more my style. Gosh, there's a lot of reflection. I don't know if y'all can see that. Maybe if I go closer. Oh, that's so much better. Here, I'll show you all the other ones. Okay, this is Tease. Okay, and then the first one is XOXO. See, so yeah, those are very bold, but I think I could still pull them off. But these are the ones I'm not so sure I can pull off. These are Pleasure. I mean, like, I don't know if I can pull those off, but that's okay. I think the rest of them I can. All right, the next one is Lust. Come on. Very pretty and wispy. And then the last pair is Kiss Me. And there you go. Those are pretty bold too, but I still think I can pull those off as well. So, kind of actually want to give these a try since I've got such a bold blue look on right now. So I think I'm going to do that. I am not at a point where I do this on camera, so I'll do them off camera and come right back and show y'all. So anyways, I'm going to go put these on and I'll be right back and show you guys what they look like. I do have the subscription service linked down below. It is an affiliate link. I will receive a commission off of it if you click through the link and sign up through them. So if you don't feel comfortable doing that, I completely understand. But if you do, thank you so much. That helps support my channel. and just helps me continue to buy more makeup and beauty products to review for you guys. So there you go. Like I said, I will make sure to put that down in the description box. All right, I'll be right back with you guys with these beautiful lashes called Kiss Me on my eyes, if I could get them to show up. Come on. There we go. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I'm an idiot. These are like really long, really big lashes, so they were really long, so I needed to trim them. Well, I started trimming from the inner corner for some reason, which is not what you want to do, because then you've got the really long lashes in the inner corner as well. But anyway, so I started there, so that's why these are so long right here in the inner corner. They weren't that long. But then I still had to cut, even after taking a little bit off there, I still had to take quite a bit off of the outer portion of them. So that's good to know for anybody who has, you know, big eyes, if you ever struggle with having lashes being too small. Just FYI. But from my understanding, you're always supposed to cut from the outside. I was just, whoops. Could be that I'm just loopy from being, you know, up in the middle of the night. So, but anyways, this is what they look like. They are very pretty. I would only wear these probably on very special occasions or with very bold eye looks like this, you know, but I really like them. I really do. I'm surprised. I really am, because I can still kind of see my eye look through them. I think that's why. If I couldn't see my eye look through them, then what would be the point? So yeah, so far I would say I recommend the subscription service. This is the first month. I will definitely keep y'all updated. I saw on the back of this card it says, share the love, refer a friend, and both of you will receive $5 off. Scan me with your phone. So if you're interested and you want to scan this, and you want to sign up, I guess we'll both get $5. So that's nice. I didn't even realize that. So I guess, I don't know if this is separate from the affiliate program or what, but hey, do this one if you're going to get $5 towards your subscription, right? So there you go. And then it would help me too, so I'd be happy too. Or if you don't feel comfortable with that, that's totally cool. Again, like I said, this is through Tribe Beauty Box, and it's called Lash Scoop. Here, let me show you. Oh man, there we go. Lash Scoop. So there you go. Alrighty, with all that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell so that you'll get notified of all of my future content. I have a bunch of stuff going on this month and rolling into next month. I am currently doing a 32 palettes in 35 days challenge for myself. I know there's kind of weird numbers. It's just kind of the way I had to work out by the dates. But anyways, I'm doing 32 palettes in 35 days. What's on my eyes is one of the palettes, so you will be seeing that video coming up shortly. I also have 2 giveaways currently going on. One for an Ofra palette and one for a ColourPop Garden Variety is the name of it, palette. So I will make sure to link those down below, those videos down below, links to the videos down below, and I'll put them in the cards as well. I think that covers everything. I'll list everything I know about the subscription service down in the description box below as well, just so that you'll be fully informed. I will also link just Anne's video, so I don't know, she might have more information about it in there. as well. So with all that being said, oh, there was one more thing I wanted to point out about this. This is a Black-owned beauty brand. I'm not sure if I mentioned that at the beginning. From what I hear, the actual Tribe Beauty box is awesome. So like I said, I am considering signing up for that. So yeah, anyways, okay, I think that's all I have to say. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. Please ring that notification bell. Please like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked this video. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Either way, it's still engagement. Feel free to, you know, ask me any questions you have down below in the comments. I'll answer whatever I can. Yeah, I think that covers it all. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place here. This is a new subscription service to me, and so I'm just kind of like, well, what all do I cover? I'm not real sure. It's a little different than like the BoxyCharm unboxing. So, anywho, I'm going to quit talking now and say again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you are having a great day or evening wherever you are in this world. I hope that you are staying safe. I hope that you are staying healthy. And I look forward to talking to you again real soon. Bye!